Good morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's day 2 here at the British Motor Yacht Show in Swanwick Marina in between Portsmouth and Southampton. There's a fantastic selection of boats and we've got an exceptional lineup as well. The sun's out, we're open at 10 until 5, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, until 4 on Sunday, but you're absolutely welcome to come and see us. Right now I'm on the Galeon 480 Fly. I'm on the bar on the port side. Really cool feature on this boat, but each Galeon has loads of nice features. Of course, we've got the famous balconies on all the models, and we've got 2 Pardos as well, a Pardo 50 walk around and a Pardo GT52. Absolutely stunning boats, they need to be seen. And then we've got the 3 Galeons here, Galeon 480, which I'm on obviously, the 440 Fly next to me, and then the 410 HTC, which is a coupe, but really cool boats. These 2 boats over here are available, as well as the GT52, so exceptional opportunities for this season ahead if you're looking to get into it. But yeah, we look forward to seeing you. Come down.